waiters, they treat them as if
While
मैं तो I've been on like I've known so
as a
many
flex.
people. मुझे तो रस नहीं आता मर्द है मारो जितना मर्द I mean I've known
That's your duty. तुम जब से पैदा हुए तुम्हें यही करना है.
Hi guys, it's me Amu. For those of you who don't know, but for those of you who do know, welcome or welcome back to this channel.
Woo!
Today I am joined with the girl gang,
Let's go!
and today we have Sejal, Hellis, and Isha. And आपने टाइटल देख के तो पढ़ ही लिया होगा कि today we are going to be answering questions boys are too afraid to ask. So let's start by answering the questions. What's something small a guy does that instantly gives you the ick but you can't explain why?
It's just him being very mean or rude to the staff or to like anybody around and being so unappreciative. It's just something that's such a downer.
Yeah, true. I agree to that, but really, like, how do you know that at the first time? Like, that's not a small thing to be ऐसे मतलब
I mean I've
rude
seen
नहीं रहोगे यार.
rude. I mean I've seen people get so rude with others in
not
general.
treating the right way to
Exactly.
the help
And
and
like,
other people.
You know, even with the waiters, they treat them as if
Very
they are bound to serve.
Yeah, like peasants.
Yeah.
not respecting others.
True, true. I will agree to that. Sejal, you have anything to say?
I think while
Oh, I have one more.
getting irritated while doing the bare minimum, thinking it's princess treatment.
True. Arey bhai. We all have been there. We all have been there.
You know if you know.
Hey.
I have one more.
हाँ.
People like men who boast about having gone out with a lot of females. They think that it is a
Aye.
boast.
Playboy
Aye.
era is cool for them.
Playboy era भी नहीं वो बस ऐसे नहीं मैं तो I've been on like I've known so
As a
many
flex.
women.
हाँ,
Yeah.
true.
not
अरे
flex.
नहीं है
That
भाई.
is also
That's a
Yeah,
turn
like
off, that's not
similarly I have like guys who try to act cool when like they are trying to act cool, they are not naturally cool, so वो
They're
clearly
trying too
दिखता है कि
hard.
they are trying to be
too
something,
hard.
so that somewhere it gives a ick, like why are you trying, can't
Not
you be
being
on
themselves.
yeah, not being themselves.
True.
Exactly.
Okay, that was interesting. I liked it.
की
हमारी
धज्जियां
energy
उड़ाने
काफी
वाले
अच्छी
हैं
थी.
हम.
Okay, next question. Do girls sometimes already know they won't date a guy but still entertain him? कोई बोलना चाहेगा? मैंने फालतू का क्वेश्चन पूछा है यहाँ पे.
क्या? हाँ, girls do know.
Yes, some girls do,
See, I won't entertain.
but I don't. Because it's like कि अपना टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करना, उसका टाइम क्यों वेस्ट करना, both have our lives, and क्यों खाली फोकट में
कभी-कभी
entertain करना,
कर
free hopes
सकते
देना.
हैं. तो ठीक है, अगर हम चारों में से हम ऐसी लड़कियां है भी नहीं तो भी कुछ लड़कियों को पता होता है, वो लोग फिर भी ये
Just to clarify, हम हमारे पर्सपेक्टिव से भी बोल रहे हैं एंड हम जनरली गर्ल्स का भी बोल रहे हैं, तो मिक्स मत करना. हम ऐसे नहीं है. हम नहीं.
सब वही बोल
That was violent. बेचारा.
मुझे तो रस नहीं आता मर्द है मारो जितना मर्द I तो I'm a big time man.
अरे we are haters. Sorry भाई.
कैसे बोल रही है?
Do girls care about texting style? Yes.
Oh, definitely.
Oh,
Hell
yes.
yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
That takes
भाई.
the first box before we start.
हाँ मतलब who are you being dry to?
Who are you being nonchalant to?
किसको दिखा रहा है ये nonchalant?
नहीं पसंद हमें.
पता ही नहीं पसंद.
जो जज करने की कोई लड़का अगर देख रहा है ये वीडियो
भाई तू क्यों देख रहा है? तेरे को नहीं मिलेगा आंसर.
तेरे बोलने का तरीका दिखाता है. If you are interested in us, if you are not, if you want to be friend, if you're not, basically we are not interested. We don't want to talk
मैं
to
तो
you.
सोच चुकी I have slept. अगर मैं ऐसा कुछ हुआ है I have slept.
No, but then how are you online?
Because I have slept, the phone is open.
मेरे को तो भाई मेरे फोन में ऑटोमेटिक बंद हो जाता है फोन मेरा. ये कौन सा फोन है जो 24 घंटा खुला रहता है भाई? Do girls ever keep a backup option?
I mean, I've known people who do, but not in personal experience.
क्यों हंस रही है तू?
सिर्फ हरामी लोग
हाँ,
ऐसे
बोलो.
हैं, हाँ, ये.
बोलो.
No, I'm just saying that I know people who do have, but
जनरली गर्ल्स जो रखती हैं वो निब्बियां हैं.
The girls who are
Bitches
good
also.
don't keep it.
लाइक आई पर्सनली नो गर्ल्स जो बैकअप ऑप्शन
Yeah,
रखती है,
yeah,
बट जो रखती है भाई तुम्हारे स्टैंडर्ड्स क्या है? क्या 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 क्वालिटी, तुम्हारी क्या क्वालिटी है अगर तुम बैकअप रख रहे हो तो? और हाँ मतलब हर लड़की के दिमाग में एक लड़का हमेशा रहता है बैकअप में, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दे आर गोइंग टू चेस द गाय.
Yeah, or approach.
कुछ भी होगा तो अप्रोच नहीं करेगी ना चेस करेगी भाई, काम से काम रखेगी वो, बस दिमाग में टू अ पॉइंट रहेगा.
बट बैकअप ऑप्शन वही होता है कि एक लड़की का एक्स है और उसको पता है चल इसके पास वापस जा सकती है, जो पीछे सिम्प है.
बट दैट इज बैड, दैट इज लाइक
That
द
is
रॉन्ग
so
टाइप
bad.
ऑफ
The
एक्सेस.
Girl, for her own self, she doesn't have that respect.
हाँ,
हम तो
that's
वैसे
what I
है
think.
नहीं.
It
हम
is-
तो
I
वैसे
honestly feel bad
हम
for
तो
the
ऐसे
guy.
है नहीं. मैं पहली चार पे हम तो ऐसे है नहीं.
बोलना जरूरी है.
बिफोर यू स्टार्ट टू थिंक कि हम ऐसे हो सकते हैं, हम
हम तो ऐसे है ही नहीं.
I honestly feel bad for the guy who she is with and feel bad for the guy who she will go to.
Yeah.
जो backup
बहुत
है.
deep हो गया
दोनों
ये.
के लिए बुरा लग रहा है.
कटेगा भाई.
बहुत गंदा कटेगा.
निकल ले.
कटेगा. Okay. Do girls expect guys to always make the first move?
Yes. Yes. You are supposed to.
Yes.
That's your
Definitely.
duty.
Yes.
तुम जब से पैदा हुए तुम्हें यही करना है.
हाँ.
First move.
Personally, I'm a very I would say ambivert kind of a person, and I would never approach a guy first. I have
Same.
never.
मैं कितना भी तुम्हें पसंद करूं, मैं नहीं आ रही तुम्हारे पास. You will know eventually. I will give out signs.
We will give you hands.
Yeah, we group project चल रहा है. We will give you hints. The girls I can see.
हंसने का काम कर.
And like it does matter a lot कि भाई you are thinking of us to reach out and make the first move. भाई
Making the efforts.
हाँ, it is the bare minimum. इतना एफर्ट तू लगाएगा, आगे का हम देख लेंगे ब्रो.
हम तुम्हारे बारे में पूरा दिन सोच रहे हैं, but हम नहीं आगे से मैसेज करेंगे, हम आगे से नहीं अप्रोच करेंगे. So we will keep thinking about it.
If both of the person have like feelings for each other, they have confessed relationship में, तो अलग बात है कि लड़की सामने से करे, लड़का सामने से करे.
Let's move on with the questions.
Move on ही तो नहीं हो रहा.
Ouch.
Ah,
Too personal.
तुझे काय का move on?
तुम
Single?
लोग-
नहीं माई, मैं तो सिंगल हूँ.
हम सब ही सिंगल है, बहुत खुश है.
I am in a relationship
with yourself.
Yes.
Because you couldn't find anyone else.
because nobody could match my levels.
Oh yeah.
Okay. What do you actually look for in a guy?
ये तो पर्सनल एकदम हो गया क्वेश्चन. तूने जो
कर,
माइक
बता,
मेरे
बता.
मुंह में डाल. My type, athletic, tall and gym lover.
हम हंस क्यों रहे थे, हमें नहीं पता. आगे
I tell you I like men who are smart, brainy men, then men who work
डॉक्टर है
out.
ना.
Smartness
डॉक्टर ही
turns on.
पसंद आएगा.
so like intelligent.
Yeah, I love
But
intelligent men.
muscle.
Men with brain.
Men will.
basically.
Yeah,
Ooh,
brainy
but
men
they if
with
they have too much
skill.
brains, they are out of control.
out of control. मतलब in what?
वो
way?
ज्यादा ही दिमाग लगाते हैं फिर.
वो
Those
अलग
are
ही level.
over smart. Over smart नहीं. I'm talking about like
Smart, smart.
brainy, smart,
So
intellectual.
basically a nerd.
Not jack nerd.
Oh, a nerd or a jack nerd. Damn, we have taste, guys. मेरे इसमें तो
Emotionally available. I'm sorry if I missed out on that. Emotionally
yeah, true.
available.
सबको भाई. I would agree. बोल क्यों नहीं?
बोल के बोला कुछ
You
चाह
don't
रही
want
थी.
an emotionally available man.
I don't like expressing, so there's no sense of him being emotionally available.
Controversial.
Controversial था. Well,
Very
as for me, I would like a tall, एकदम obsessed with the gym जितने मेरे level पे, and talks very sweetly. एकदम soft voice है but jacked है.
Soft voice. Soft voice.
हाँ,
Jack.
no, it's like नहीं KK आवाज नहीं, like he is very quiet, like
so
एकदम
what is-
धीरे
so
बात
what is
करता है,
Introvert.
इंट्रोवर्ट, like एकदम
Hmm.
धीरे बात करता है, रिस्पेक्ट से बात करता है.
एकदम बात नहीं करता बट जब बोलता है तो
अरे well, I would like
ज्ञानी.
हाँ तो बेसिकली एक तो she said as smart, like दिमाग तो होना ही चाहिए, बेसिक है वो तो of course बिना दिमाग वाला नहीं.
चल चश्मे वालों को दिमाग वाला ही चाहिए होता है.
उसको तो तोड़, उसको एक सेकंड नहीं पड़ता मुझे. हाँ, good. और 4-5 बार.
And फिर basically he should be generous, kind, respect everyone and ambivert. And by fit होना चाहिए. वो खुद वो खुद fit enthusiast होना चाहिए, मुझे भी कराना चाहिए.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये करती है नहीं.
I'll add one more.
Yeah, though I am fit.
Funny men. I cannot be with a boring guy. I want a funny
इसको देखो
man.
इसका शांत वाला बोरिंग सा, हमें फनी चाहिए.
मुझे introvert मतलब I don't mind, but as long as he's funny.
इतना भी इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं हो कि भाई रेस्टोरेंट में भी ऑर्डर हम ही दे रहे हैं. You know.
हाँ. नहीं,
Not
वो तो
speaking up.
जनरली लड़का नहीं होगा ना वैसा.
You never know. There are some men like that.
इंट्रोवर्ट मतलब
प्रोवाइडर. ओ मुझे अभी याद आया, मेरे को बोलना था प्रोवाइडर, like when he knows he has to provide, when he knows it's a rider. What the fuck. हाँ बट प्रोवाइड करे, you know, like he knows that उसका job है to provide the girl and not complain. Do girls like being approached first or does it feel annoying?
at the gym it's annoying, outside we want you to.
I mean, there have been times where I've been annoyed. Like there have been times where I've been annoyed equally. Gym में तो छोड़ ही दो मुझे अपने. There have been times where I really am annoyed and I want to be left by myself at that point. And it is very much clear, okay, that I do not want to be approached. I'm giving out that bitchy vibe. फिर भी अगर आकर के कोई super annoyed. Like I will be kind. I will be, you know, like ha ha he he hoo nice. But under I'm like ma.
हाँ यार, like how do you know if a girl is interested or just being friendly? Sejal should answer.
if she's being friendly वो तेरे को दिखाएगी कि भाई तू friend zone हो रहा है. She will show it to you that you are a friend to her, and if not then she will give you hints कि no भाई we are not just friends. लड़कियां कभी नहीं अटकाती, इतना तो clear है.
I agree. And you know, अगर वो तुझे बता भी चुकी हो, तुझे हिंट दे भी चुकी है, then buddy you've got guts to fucking approach her after that.
True.
Because I got there was experience, you know, like experience है. You know, it was very clear that dude knew, okay, that dude knew I was seeing somebody and he was very much in the friend zone and nothing more than that. He had spoken with my guy too, and yet he had the audacity to strike it in a conversation. You should date me. I'm like, bro, in front of a friend, like there are 3 people, that dude, me and another friend of mine, and randomly in a conversation he's like, hey, you should date me. Buddy, what?
Was it a joke or was it a joke?
It was a joke.
What the?
Was it a joke or was he a joke?
Oh no, like what? Huh?
Okay.
What makes a guy stand out from others?
His aura. His aura speaks
will you
before
know
he
his
enters the
aura?
room. You are in a room full of people. A new person enters. तेरा ध्यान जाके भी किधर और चला जाएगा.
करण जौहर की बॉलीवुड
But-
मूवी नहीं चल रही है.
But
तेजल.
स्लोमो में सोच. स्लोमो में सोच.
For me, it's
His perfume.
hey, that's true. That's a good one. His perfume, his cologne, whatever he
Yeah.
puts, are. But for me,
The way
it's
he carries himself
huh,
is so attractive.
true. For me, I feel like you know, the way he is in general, मतलब जो ऐसे walking in the room वाली बात हो रही है ना, तो like if he walks into a room and he is just full of life, like he's quiet, like I will admit मुझे quiet लड़के ही पसंद है, but for him to stand out, he has that liveliness in him. Like वो ऐसे depressed soul की तरह, जो एक introvert है, किसी से बात नहीं करता, वो ऐसे घुस रहा है. I don't fuck with that. But अगर if he is very happy and lively, मतलब he has a life in him, like a spark, and I feel like I see that spark. वैसा वाला scene है, तो I would like that.
I would like that
Maybe
too,
same.
please. Make it 2. Make it 3. Make it 4.
Make it 4, guys. Make it 4. What makes you trust a guy? I don't trust any guy.
I mean, the
बोलना.
the level of comfort that I've known him for long, I think probably that plays a part in me trusting him.
You trust him and that's your mistake.
Agreed.
Give her a prize.
That's where you went wrong. That's where you went wrong, bro. That वो सबसे पहला trap था कि do you trust me? Yes, I do. No. You
Do
shouldn't
girls
have.
believe in love at first sight?
Yes. I don't.
No.
Not
Bullshit
really.
for me.
Yes.
Bullshit.
Yes, it happened.
बस बस.
आगे कटेगा.
Do girls like surprises or prefer being asked first? I like surprises, but सिर्फ मेरे birthday का. उसके अलावा कोई surprise नहीं चाहिए मेरे को life में. I would like to, like, please मुझे बता दे.
अगर सरप्राइज में दूसरी लड़की नहीं आ रही है तो चलेगा. फिर सरप्राइज चलेगा.
That's so true.
Well, sometimes छोटे छोटे चीजों में surprises चाहिए, but if it's a very big thing, like in few things you have to think about कि यार हमें पूछना भी जरूरी होता है. In few things, but in few things surprises.
Do you
are
prefer planned dates or spontaneous ones?
I like planned dates that somehow turn out to be spontaneous.
Yeah, that is a good
हाँ,
answer.
like एक जगह का decide किया है, but we are not going in that place. We are going somewhere else.
The series of events that rolls out after or like during that journey, that is something.
I just like being told कि we are going on a date. Just get ready. I don't want to know where we are going, what we are doing. Just do it, please.
That is true, man.
Please.
Yes,
Don't
surely.
Make us choose what we want to eat. Don't ask us. तुम भाई हमें रोड के छोले भटूरे भी खिला दो, हम खा लेंगे यार.
So that's it for this video. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो comment pink and we will know कि आपने ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देखा है. And also अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below whatever you want to see next. And if you want the girl gang to be featured in my next video. And until then, take care. Peace.